Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tasha Bliss, and I'm an author, speaker, and advocate for personal growth and self-mastery. Today, I'm beyond excited to talk to you about my new book, Life-Changing Discipline, the ultimate guide to transforming your habits, mindset, and future. This book is the culmination of years of research, personal experience, and countless conversations with people just like you. People who want to create lasting change in their lives, but struggle to stay consistent, focused, and disciplined. So, if you've ever felt stuck, overwhelmed, or unsure of how to take control of your life, this video is for you. By the end of it, I promise you'll walk away with actionable insights and a renewed sense of motivation. Let's dive in.
Now you might be thinking, there are so many books on discipline and habits out there. Why should I read this one? Great question. Here's what sets life-changing discipline apart. It's practical. This isn't just theory. Every chapter includes actionable steps, exercises, and tools you can start using today. It's relatable. I share my own struggles with discipline, from procrastination to self-doubt, and how I overcame them. It's holistic. This book doesn't just focus on one area of your life. It shows you how to apply discipline to your career, relationships, health, and personal growth. Whether you're a student, a professional, a parent, or someone in between, this book is designed to meet you where you are and help you take the next step.
Let me give you a quick example. Imagine you want to get in shape. You start with mindset discipline by shifting your thinking from "I hate exercise" to "I'm investing in my health and energy." Then you use habit discipline to create a workout routine that fits your lifestyle. Maybe it's 20 minutes a day, 3 times a week. Finally, you apply action discipline by showing up, even on days when you don't feel like it. Over time, these small, disciplined actions compound into massive results. That's the power of life-changing discipline. Now, you might be thinking, there are so many books on discipline and habits out there. Why should I read this one? Great question. Here's what sets life-changing discipline apart. It's practical. This isn't just theory. Every chapter includes actionable steps, exercises, and tools you can start using today. It's relatable. I share my own struggles with discipline, from procrastination to self-doubt, and how I overcame them. It's holistic. This book doesn't just focus on one area of your life. It shows you how to apply discipline to your career, relationships, health, and personal growth. Whether you're a student, a professional, a parent, or someone in between, this book is designed to meet you where you are and help you take the next step. Let me give you a sneak peek into some of the key lessons you'll find in the book. The 1% rule. Small, consistent improvements lead to massive results over time. I'll show you how to apply this principle to every area of your life. The discipline equation. Discipline, R, clarity, plus consistency, plus accountability. I break down each component and show you how to master it. The power of systems. Goals are great, but systems are what get you there. I'll teach you how to design systems that work for you, not against you. Overcoming resistance. We all face resistance, whether it's procrastination, fear, or self-doubt. I'll share proven strategies to push through and keep moving forward. These are just a few of the gems you'll find in the book. Trust me, by the time you finish reading, you'll have a whole new perspective on what's possible for your life. Here's the truth. Discipline isn't easy. If it were, everyone would be living their dream life. But here's the good news. Discipline is a skill, and like any skill, it can be learned, practiced, and mastered. I wrote this book because I believe in your potential. I believe that you have the power to create the life you want, no matter where you're starting from. But you have to be willing to put in the work. You have to be willing to show up for yourself, even when it's hard. And that's exactly what life-changing discipline is here to help you do. It's your roadmap, your cheerleader, and your accountability partner all in one. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, okay, I'm sold, but how do I get started? Here's what I recommend. Get the book. You can find life-changing discipline by visiting the links in the description below. Join the community. I've created a free online community where we can support each other on this journey. It's a safe space to share your goals, ask questions, and celebrate your wins. Take action. Start small. Pick one area of your life where you want to apply discipline and take one step today. Remember, progress is better than perfection. And if you're ready to go all in, I've also created a companion workbook that walks you through the exercises in the book step by step. It's the perfect way to turn knowledge into action. Before I wrap up, I want to leave you with this. Discipline isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. It's about showing up for yourself even when it's hard. And it's about believing that you're worth the effort. You have the power to create a life you love. You have the power to overcome obstacles, achieve your goals, and become the person you've always wanted to be. And life-changing discipline is here to help you do just that. So what are you waiting for? Let's do this together. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on personal growth and self-mastery. And if you're ready to take the next step, grab your copy of Life-Changing Discipline today. I can't wait to hear how it transforms your life. Until next time, remember, you are capable of more than you know. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and keep chasing your dreams. I'll see you in the next video.